So we'll take a look at the Anker power port strip 12 with the 3 USB ports. So here's the specs. Yeah. This device complies. It just say power strip 12 with 3 USB ports. Model number A27262. So let's open it up here real quick. It's nice packaging. So there you go. It's really nice. Packaging is very secure, professional, should I say. It has a small note here. Cute. And it has this quick information. It says overload protection. There's a surge protector light, power LED, AC outlets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 12 actually, and then 3 USB output. I mean, so the power just and I believe this is 3 feet. So it's long enough for my needs, and here it is. It's pretty solid. Total max is 5 volts at 3.1 ampere each. It has this power LED and a light that says it's protected. And I don't know what color, so let me plug this. I should have one here close to. Let's see here. I don't have one here. I'm too far off from the outlet, so let me see. So here we go, and I turn it on. The green button said it's protected, and the power light also turns on. Just a very very faint color, red or orange there. So yeah. All right. Thank you for watching.